Okay, so here we go, problem 12-4. The first thing about this, it was determined that at the date of the purchase, the fair value of the identifiable net assets was 2.75 million. And so, but here they paid 3 million. So the way we're going to compute the goodwill recognized, if any, on July 31st is the purchase price is 3 million less the fair value. So this whole thing over here of like total assets minus the current and long-term liabilities, this would get you about 2.4, but they're telling us it's worth 275, so there has to be some other things there. So the amount of goodwill that should be recorded from this transaction is going to be $250,000. Okay, so it's the amount of goodwill. Determine the impairment loss, if any, to be recorded on December 31st. So if the net assets value is 1,650,000. Okay, so they're incurring a lot of losses. And we got a fair value of 1,850,000 because the fair value is greater than the net assets. There's no impairment. Okay, so our assets are not being overstated. So what happens over here? So assume then that the fair value is 1.6 million. So this is going to be a little bit different. So if our net assets are 1,650,000 and the fair value is now at 1.6 million, the loss on impairment is going to be 50,000. Now, in terms of where we would be taking this loss from, it would be coming from goodwill. So on 12/31/20, I would have impairment loss, and I would be crediting goodwill, and this would be for 50,000. Okay. Okay. Now, where would this income, where would the journal entry, and where would the loss be reported? What was kind of cool is just a few moments ago as we were looking at Macy's and where they put, so you have over here cost of sales, SG&A, impairment, restructuring, and other costs. So I just threw it all in here. I mean, I would probably say that your impairment loss should probably be below. I would say it's definitely going to be down here before you're going to maybe other gains and losses possibly. But again, it's going to really be a matter of preference. It's just definitely not going to be part of SG&A because it's not selling general and administrative. So that is problem 12-4. I will see you on the next video. Have a great one.